Welcome to Autism Mathematics. In this video, expand in ascending powers of x up to the term in x squared. This one, okay, of the expansion 1 plus 2x minus x squared, all raised to the power 5. Okay, now this is a problem in binomial expansion. Now, binomial expansion from binomial theorem, 1 plus x raised to the power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n times n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared. Now, according to the question, we have to expand this one up to a term in x squared. So, looking at this, I think this is where we have to end. Now, remember, 1 plus 2x minus x squared raised to the power 5 can be written as 1 plus, let's put the second 2x minus x squared, all raised to the power 5. So using the binomial expansion, our n is 5 and then our x represent this whole thing, so 2x minus x squared, right? So let's put them in the formula. 1 plus 2x minus x squared, now up to the, so 1 plus n is 5, x represent 2x minus x squared, plus the formula n times 4 over 2 times 1, and then we have 2x minus x squared all squared. So 2 go here, 2. So we then have 1 plus, let's expand this, 5 times 2x is 10x, then 5 times minus x squared is minus 5x squared, plus we have 10, 5 times 2 is 10 times 2x minus x squared all squared. So we need to expand this one. So 1 plus 10x minus 5x squared plus 10. So let's expand this one. Because it is power 2, we square the first one. When we square the first one, we are getting 4x squared. So 2 times 2x, that is 4x times x squared. So minus 4x cubed, and then plus x to the power 4. We can then open up. So 1 plus 10x minus 5x squared plus. So let's open the bracket. So this will give us 40x squared minus 40x cubed plus 10x to the power 4. So we can group the like terms, so which is equal to 1 plus 10x. So we have minus 5x squared and then 40x squared. So minus 5x squared plus 40x squared minus 40x cubed plus 10x to the power 4. So 1 plus 10x, so minus 5x squared plus 40x squared is 35x squared minus 40x cubed plus 10x to the power 4. Now, the question said we have to expand up to a term in x squared. So the higher powers of x can be ignored, so that we have 1 plus 10x plus 35x squared. Viewers, thank you very much for spending your time to watch this video. I'm grateful for your time. If you are watching us for the first time and you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime we upload a new video, wherever you are, you'll be alerted. Bye.